Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this problem. We have 5x to the power of x to be equal to 5 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 5. Now for us to resolve this, let's multiply the powers on both sides by 5 to have 5x to the power of x further raised to the power of 5 should be equal to 5 to the power of 5 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 5. Now from here, applying the law of indices, when we have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n, we can interchange the powers to become a to the power of n further raised to the power of m, and this can as well mean a to the power of m times n. So we'll be applying this over here. We have 5x we'll multiply the powers to have 5x or equal to, and we have 5 to the power of 5. We can still leave this left hand side to remain 5 to the power of 5. So from here we have that what is in the bracket equals what we have as the power here, and the same happens to this place. So we simply have 5x is equal to 5 to the power of 5. So from here we can divide both sides by 5. To have 5x over 5 should be equal to 5 to the power of 5 over 5. So this will give us, this will cancel this, we have x to be equal to 5 to the power of 5 minus 1. So this gives us x is equal to 5 to the power of 4. So this simply means that x is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That means our x is equal to 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 2. So our x is equal to 25 times 25. And our x is equal to 25 to the power of 2.